Hello YouTube. I have here today is a ASP 160 twin, brand new moto. Received it yesterday from Just Engines UK. You should check them out there. They have a full range of ASP global motos and other engines as well. Great guys. Could look them up on the internet, or you could give them a ring on their telephone. And so today, convert this moto to petrol with a spark ignition. There's a magnet there, sensor. Today I'm using the RCXL, but in the future I'll be using CH ignition as well for my conversions. Running the 18.6 prop, and I have the replacement carburetor for the glow. You could take the normal tip intake piece of the what the glow carburetor mount to, and then mount that piece there that you could see in blue, that custom made. Mount that straight on and you're good to go. So these kits available on eBay. The ignition by itself and the carburetor you see here, you get that by itself as well. You could check, there will be a link in the description of this video, so you could find the parts really easy that you're looking for. But this one is for the ASP OS SC Magnum 160. Parts will fit all those engines, so you could check them out if you have your engine that you want to convert to petrol. This engine is a customer of mine in Germany. I'm going to be sending it off for him soon. Get it from Just Engines for him. Run it in already, have about 1 tank of fuel through it, and just a little tweak in the needle. I think I'm pretty happy with it to send it off just like this. Alright, gonna start it and see. So that's it. That's the ASP 160 twin converted to petrol by me. You can see it runs really well, have good transition, good idle, good top RPM for a brand new motor. First started today, about half an hour ago. Started up, run it, shut down, run it, shut down, run it, shut down, and finally tweak the needles, and think I'm happy with it to send it off. It's gonna be one happy customer.